My name is Daphne Gill-Dyangko. A lot of years back, I had a seizure in a shower and both of my ankles went backwards. They didn't really heal properly, so I was in a lot of pain, and I finally saw my primary care doctor, and he referred me over to Doctor Oji. He says, well, we're gonna try and do whatever we can so that, you can have the function of your ankle. We're not gonna solder your ankles together and all this. And I said, okay. So kind to me and explained everything to me, all the procedures that was gonna happen so that I wouldn't go in there blind. He performed it on me, and then I had a bedtime with the cast because I wanted to get out. But I made it, and he has just been there, just like holding my hand basically all the way through. And right now I can walk without any pain. I would most definitely refer people to see Dr. Oji.